Здравейте, аз съм Борис Христов и ако вие като мен харесвате ето тази песен, My love has got humor. She's a giggle at a funeral. Cause everybody's disapproval should have worshipped her sooner. We were born sick, heard them say. Или пък ето тази песен. And when down we go, oh, 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 oh. And when down we go, oh, 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 oh. And when down we go, oh, oh, way down we go. Или може би ето тази песен. I took a page out of your favorite book. You showed me light just by the way you look. Told me the language that I never speak. Baby, down out for me, down out for me, oh no. То заповядайте тази събота, 31 май, в любимия Swinging Hall, където сигурен съм, както винаги, ще пеем, ще танцуваме и ще се забавляваме заедно. Разбира се, ще чуете и една от моите най-любими песни, която звучи горе-долу така. Oh, some people got a real problem. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve them. Lord heavens above, but I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Double the blame on me. Double the blame on me. But I'm only human and do what I can. I'm just a man and do what I can. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me. Тази събота, 31 май, Swinging Hall. Очаквам ви!